Alright, in this video I'll show you a short utility on Emacs, which is archiving from the org file, a simple thing which will be beneficial and useful people who are using org mode extensively. There are plethora of options, not about archiving, but so many options, so many things. But in this video I'll just stick on to one simple fact. When things are done, it's better to get away from your from away from your focused list, as simple as that. So to do that, this is my basically a main org file where I do keep all the stuff. For instance, if take these things, it is because I have this tag, I haven't changed it because I was doing, I think I have done it for the, or you can think it as I'm going to give you a demonstration, that's why I'm doing it. I'll add it later someday. So the first thing you need to do, you need to change the tag once it's done. Control C, Control Q, and sorry, it there is a bit better way of doing stuff. In see, this is Control C, Control T. Look at the bottom of the screen. It will show me the tag and the corresponding key which I can press, right? So for that, if I say it is done, I just press D, it turns into a done, right? So fine, now this thing has been done, and it should not be on my main org file because its purpose has been done, right? So I need to take it away in the form of doing an archive. So to do an archive for you have two options. As you can see bottom of the file, there is an archive section. Either you can keep the archiving on the same file, or you can move it to a separate file. Separate archive file is the file name with the archive option. It will store in a different file. I'm going to put this entry in that archive file. For that, I need to press Control C, Control X, and Control A. What I have to press? I have to press Control C, Control X, and Control A. So let me follow this. Control C, Control X, and Control A. See, it's gone. Right? Look at the bottom of the screen. It says subtree archived in the file tasks.org archive. Okay, so if I go there now, if I go there, now hang on, before going there I need to save this file. Okay, so if I go there and if I see it is here in this file, right? You can see it has put that particular entry in this particular file. If I press Control C, Control X, and Control A, you can, if you can't remember all this stuff, you can easily abbreviate all this stuff. Okay, so, and you can also see there are options, so many options there for archiving, right? Doing in the file, setting it onto the different file, and all this stuff, right? So many options you can explore. I'm not going to show you all the option, but this many options are there, and each and every one has got a designated stuff to do. And frankly speaking, I do not need all of those personally. It might be useful to other people, they might be deep into it and they'll use all this stuff. I don't. I use handful of stuff, so that is good enough for me. Okay, if you are interested to explore, please do explore. And this is a very important utility. You can do so many things. In a sense, you should keep up your main org file as clean as possible, which is absolutely required. Just put it there, because when you generate the agenda file out of it, the unnecessary entry should not be reflected on the agenda, right? So I just give you a tip of an iceberg, and this is an important one. I hope it will be useful to someone. Okay, so to if you can explore this stuff in other places also. Okay, so there is you can see, uh, if you are really interested to know, you can go through all the, but there is other section also. I don't know. uh, okay, so you can try it out, the archiving system. Okay, so in Emacs. I hope this will be useful to some people. Okay, thanks for watching.